Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math in 3 days. For day 1, begin by assessing your current knowledge of the math topic. Spend about 2 to 3 hours identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Pinpoint the specific concepts and problem types that require the most attention. Then, prioritize these challenging areas, perhaps focusing on the top 3 to 5 most difficult topics to ensure efficient use of your limited time. On day 2, dedicate a significant portion of your time, perhaps 4 to 5 hours, to active practice. Work through a wide range of problems, ensuring you understand the why behind each step, not just the how. Don't just solve, truly comprehend the core principles. Review solved examples and their solutions to see various methods and deepen your conceptual understanding. For day 3, it's all about review and refinement. Spend at least 2 hours conducting a comprehensive review of everything you've studied. Test your knowledge with timed practice questions or even a short mock exam to simulate real conditions. This helps identify any lingering weak points. Address these remaining areas by revisiting notes or working through a few more targeted problems to solidify your understanding. To maximize your 3-day study, remember a few key tips. Always break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes them less daunting. Try explaining concepts aloud. Teaching helps you identify gaps in your own understanding. Also, take short, frequent breaks, perhaps 10 minutes every hour, to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Stay positive and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.